What is up, Flockers? That is my fellow lockers and aspiring lockers. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some hair ties that I think are wonderful for locks, and it makes it just quick and easy, and you don't have to deal with the tension and the pulling and stuff that you get from regular elastic bands. So if you're interested in that, then stick around. We are going to keep today's video simple and short. Y'all know I love putting you onto stuff, and my stuff isn't even sponsored when I come through with these videos, but anytime I find something that works for me, I want to put it out there into the world for other people because maybe you'll find that it works for you too. So I will make sure to leave affiliate links down below. Now, in all transparency, if you do click the affiliate link and end up buying something, yes, I get like that pennies on the dollar or whatever for that. These really are my new find. It's a 2-pack, and these are bendable hair ties. And what I love about them, like I said, you can get them in different, you can get them in solid colors, you can get them in patterns. They come in these little spirals, and then you can open them up. And then what's great about it is, like I said, you can regulate the amount of tension that you're going to have on your hairstyle. So even if your locks are shorter like mine and not able to be just easily and quickly put back into a ponytail or whatnot, or even if you have longer locks, you're able to achieve styles with these. And like I said, you can choose the desired amount of tension that you want. So I could just do a simple like that and let it be, or if I want it to be tighter, I can slide it up like that and go ahead and pull these to my desired tightness. If it's too tight, I can loosen it or I can make it tighter. The great thing about this, which is in comparison to elastic bands, your traditional hair ties that I normally would use, is that there's only so much you can do with those because they're the size that they are, and they do stretch over time, which actually is a bad thing because the more that you use the regular elastic hair ties, they stretch out, and so they don't hold as tightly as possible. But with these, like I said, you can adjust it. So maybe this is too tight, so I can go back in and I can loosen it up and make it larger and then fasten these in place how I want them. All right, and so then I can hold my hair how I want to, so I can quickly get my hair off my face. If I want to do like a quick half up, half down, again, I can just go in. It's not going to be the easiest to show y'all because I got this camera really close to me, but y'all will get the gist. All right, so I can go in, take my hair tie and put it like that. Okay, and then I can again adjust it to the tightness that I want so that it's not too tight, not too loose. Wrap it around as many times as I need, and then all right, and like I said, I'm trying to go for quickness, so I'm not trying to make it look all pretty. So y'all see I got the little pineapple. My locks are a little bit too short just to leave it like that. So typically what I will do is after that grab one of the traditional elastic bands that I was talking about and just hit it up at the top. Boom. And then you got a bun. All right. So the elastic band, or the bendable one, is in there, and I can choose again the tightness, the tension that I want, and then I can go back and put the elastic band on top of that to add to the style. But yeah, so you can do your half up, half down, or any other hairstyle that you would do with headbands or hair ties. You know, if you wanted to do pigtails or something, my hair is not really long enough for that, but you have that flexibility to be able to take your locks and just like you would with a regular hair tie, just use this instead. And yeah, it's really simple. You know, it's not like there's a learning curve with it. So I bet this looks a hot pippy long stocking hot mess on me, but I'm doing it for y'all. I'm doing it to show y'all. And here's the other one that I have. The bag is a little bit different than what's actually inside, but it is close. All right, but same thing on the other side. I wanted to take the other side, and I know this is a hot mess because I didn't take the time to part properly or to even look to see if it's sitting on my head right. This is just for instructional purposes. But yeah, so then you got your little things, and then it's decor also. Like I said, they come in solid colors, they come in stripes, they come in these kind of like what reminds me of African different tribes and whatnot that you can get these patterns that are really beautiful. So you can choose, you can go on the link that I'll put in the description box and choose which one's right for you. I got the 2-pack. They come in singles, they come in 2-packs. You can get them in 4, 6, and probably even higher. So what works for you. But yeah, I love these. You know, if they get dirty and you need to wash them, you can. It's cloth and then the bendable part inside. But yeah, they're just great little bendable things. It's kind of like flexi rods, but longer and larger and more stylish. So it's a great little addition to add to your lock arsenal for styling or just for getting your locks out of your face on a quick notice. And then when you want to store them, I mean, you can store them however you want, but I like to store it the way that it came. So I'll just go ahead and snail curl these bad boys back up, and then I just toss them in the bag, and then you're good to go. So you got them in a nice little travel bag that you can take with you. And that's that. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that thumbs up so I know what type of content you're enjoying, and also hit the subscribe button so that you can join the flock. And before you go anywhere, check out some of the other videos that have popped up on the screen. I'll see you there.